Hi everyone, it's Mr. Shorn. I'm still in need of a haircut. I'm here to kind of explain how you will be able to do your 5-question multiplying and dividing fraction mini assessment. There's only 4 you get to choose out of the 5. So let me show you what you're going to do. So you put your name in over here, click on the blue box, type in your name, and you can change the color, you can change the font, you can make it kind of personal. Answer any 4 of the questions. Each question is worth 10 points. Partial credit is awarded only if work is shown. Okay, first question over here. You have 4. You get to pick which is larger, A or B. Orange box, yellow, saffron box says move the X's. So here's the X. Click on it, and you can move it around to the place that you want. Let's say you want it over there. All right? I think A is bigger, and so on. So move the boxes that way. All right, next question. It's going to ask you to look at a fraction, type in the fraction once it loads. In fact, I'll come back to it in a moment. This over here asks you write greater than, equal to, or less than. Remember, the open end is the bigger amount, the pointy end is a smaller amount. So you've got a bunch that you can use. You've got 3 to use, and you should decide which of them. So if you want to, the same deal, click on one of these. You can take it, move it. Let's say you think that it's greater than. I don't know whether it's right or wrong. I'm just picking randomly. And position it appropriately where you need to go. Going back to question over here, I think it's ready for me to look at. No, it's not. All right, so I'm going to work on that. What you're going to do, though, is same deal. You're going to go and look at the question, and you're going to go type in a fraction. Let's say the numerator was 6. You think it's 6/7, and you put the numerator 6 and the denominator is 7. You might be able to see, I'll show quickly from my PowerPoint. Well, not from my PowerPoint, let me get my PowerPoint. You'll see the same kind of a situation over here. I'll show it on this PowerPoint. You're going to go put in the fraction, numerator and denominator. You can move the dot to the point that's appropriate. So let's say you think the dot should, let's say you want to move the dot. You say that number 11 divided by 7 should be over here. You put it right over there. Draw a diagram to show 2/3 times 3/4. Use Google Slides to do the work on paper, and then take a photo. You want to do a grid, you want to do a drawing, whatever. And then the other part of the question is 2/3 times 3/4. Do your work on paper, and then upload it. 1 square mile equals to 640 acres. What's the area in acres? And you've got this over here. This is more complicated. I'm not going to lie to you. It's more complicated. Very doable. We've done stuff like this with this a little bit harder, but it's definitely doable. Do the same thing. Do the work on paper. Let's say that you say, all right, I'm Google Slides. What do I do? How do I insert? Well, if I want to on Google Slides, all I need to do is have a new slide just to insert my work. Do insert, new slides, go down over here. And now I can go and insert my photo. All right. I can look at my photo and pop it in from wherever it is that I've saved it. And boom, there it is. All right. That's all it is. Please get the work done. Good luck, and have a patient time. You can use whatever resources you want to solve this and to do this. Thanks very much, and good luck.